In recent years, with the continuous development of the European transportation and engineering industries, the demand for Chinese tyres and inner tubes in overseas markets has been growing rapidly. Why are European customers increasingly choosing tyres and inner tubes made in China? First is the cost advantage. With over 30 years of production experience and 20 years of export experience, Kamon has accumulated significant process and supply chain advantages over the years. As a result, Kamon inner tubes offer high durability and load-bearing capacity while maintaining a high cost-performance ratio. For wholesalers and transportation companies, this means they can achieve higher profit margins without compromising on quality. We offer a complete range of products, with models available for everything from passenger cars to heavy-duty engineering vehicles. More importantly, with large-scale factory direct supply, Kamon is able to deliver large quantities in a short period of time. For buyers, inner tubes are not just about price. Longevity and stability are what give them long-term value. Kamon inner tubes are made from high-strength materials and feature an optimized structural design, offering superior puncture resistance, load-bearing capacity, and high and low temperature resistance, making them suitable for Europe's diverse climate. Finally, it is important to consider the valve as another product feature before selecting a specific product. Some inner tubes are equipped with valves that can be connected to air pumps, making the inflation process easier and faster. Low-profile valves are safer because they do not protrude. As a China Tyre inner tube manufacturer, we not only offer wholesale prices and OEM/ODM services, but also win the trust of global customers with our quality and durability.